The DHP twin over full metal bunk bed is elegant as it is functional, making this the perfect addition to your kid's bedroom. Designed with safety in mind, this bunk bed has a durable steel frame, includes full-length guardrails, and 2 sturdy ladders on either side, all to ensure the safety of your little one. The space-saving design of the bunk bed increases fun time in the bedroom by day and delivers a comfortable sleep at night.
The Durrell Living twin over full bunk bed is a natural. The Brady bunk bed is very flexible. You can use it stacked or separated as the kids get older. So some of the safety features are the 4-rung ladder going up to the top bunk and the guardrail on the top, making it very safe. A sturdy solid wood construction along with the rounded corners make this bed very strong. This Brady bunk bed features a timeless design and is also available in several finishes to suit your own style.